wind up still just a little bit in some higher elevations, but not as bad as it has been the past several weeks, it seems like. At Gatlinburg Sky Park, down in the lower elevations, they're 68, but we're still 71 here in Knoxville and also Maryville and Oneida and Morristown. That's closer to the average high for mid-April. Not the 11 o'clock temperatures. Talked about the shower and storm opportunities to our north along this sagging front. But it looks like, again, most of the activity is going to stay well to our north, and even the Storm Prediction Center backed off on their level 2 risk that they had across central eastern Kentucky and portions of West Virginia. So I don't even know that we'll see much in the way of a shower or storm in any of our area. If we did, it would be probably just north of Harlan County and Lee County, Virginia. Most areas will stay dry and mild overnight under a partly cloudy sky, upper 50s to low 60s as you head out the door first thing tomorrow morning. Going to be a mild afternoon. More clouds come in, high clouds first off, and then they get a little bit lower, but we're still going to see temperatures close to what we saw for today across the region. And even on Wednesday, we're staying above average with mid to upper 70s for highs. Now, Wednesday is our next weather maker. It's going to be a little breezy, winds 25 to maybe 30 miles per hour. That's why it's going to be so warm. But it's what comes late in the day that we'll be watching. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. Some showers making their way from the mid-state across the plateau and into the valley. These are just rain showers, though, okay? And they're weakening into the afternoon. Here's the big question we have to watch. What happens? Do we see any breaks in these clouds as we get into the evening? That's 8 o'clock. And then the sun sets, of course. So possibility, if we get enough fuel to return, there could be some scattered stronger storms just back to our west, maybe our plateau counties up into southeast Kentucky. That's what we'll have to watch. Interestingly enough, newer model runs from our in-house forecast model here is showing there's actually a little bit of hail potential here. This is Wednesday night at 8, but watch by about 11. You see some trying to develop into northern Fentress County, Pickett County as well, and then that slides back down through portions of Cumberland County, Bledsoe, Ray, and Meigs County between 3 a.m. and then it fizzles out by 8. So definitely not a sure thing forecast coming up, but something we'll definitely be watching late Wednesday night across the area. The biggest question is, after the morning showers early, can the atmosphere recover? Can more fuel build back in? I don't think it's going to be a great opportunity, but I wouldn't be surprised if, like we showed you, areas to the west saw some scattered hail with that. Now, later Friday into Saturday, additional showers, some rumbles of thunder come in, and then noticeably cooler late weekend into this time next week. I don't think we'll see a frost or a freeze, but still some mid-40s by this time next week. Mid-40s.